all. Will class 10 and 11 results be given maximum consideration, and
I don't know how much marks I'll get.
I feel grade 10 marks, taking that into account, is a good idea because it's the closest to an authentic board exam that we've had.
similar is the ordeal of the parents?
There is a lot of confusion now in the minds of parents because, the exams got cancelled at the last moment. The children have prepared. How the students would get the marks?
I feel that had they been told much earlier that these exams, they would be in a better position to have prepared for their competitive exams.
Sources tell India Today that the CBSE will evaluate students on the basis of their performances in previous exams. Sources say evaluation will be based on pre-board exams as well as class 10th and 11th results. The board has also rejected reports of it following a no-marks criteria to evaluate students.
Pandemic has given this opportunity to think and to just redefine the evaluation process. So the children are getting benefit, no doubt, because in class 10th, which CBSE has given us the criteria and the formulas, they are very good and they are in favor of a student.
The CBSE faces a tough task of ensuring a fast and fair assessment formula for the students. Its decision will also be looked up by various state boards that have also cancelled board exams. With Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, Abhishek Mishra in Lucknow and Akshay Nath in Chennai. Bureau Report, India Today.
These are nerve-wracking times for students, equally for parents also. I want to now introduce our guests who are joining us on this broadcast. We have Karan Gupta, who is an education and career consultant, joining us here on India Today. Suruchi Gandhi is the principal of the Bal Bharati Public School based in Dwarka. We have Dr. Jyoti Gupta, also director principal of DPS Sahibabad. A student from Delhi Public School, Noida, Ruchit Tandon, is also joining us on this broadcast. And I want to start with you, Ruchit. The information we're picking up is that the assessment criteria is going to be your previous exams. Do you think that's fair? Will you be happy with that kind of an assessment criteria?
Yes, ma'am, absolutely. I believe that this kind of criteria will support the students who have been consistent in their performance. And why shouldn't they get credit for all the hard work that they've done in the past? So I believe it is a good medium to judge how well the students adapt to concepts. And we can use the class 10th exams because these were external exams, and even the class 11th exams, and see how well the students have performed.
Ms. Suruchi Gandhi, would you agree with that? The worry is that maybe some students didn't give it their all in the previous exams and they were planning to perhaps put in all the effort in the class 12 board exams. Do you think that's a concern that many students will be voicing now?
Absolutely. I think from the anxiety regarding whether the exams would be held or not, the current focus has shifted on concern about disparity in marking, especially for good children who feel totally at a loss, and they, since in the absence of any well-defined criteria till date, they feel really at sea. But what I personally feel is that, one, I have reiterated this earlier also, that marks are in no way a yardstick to your success in life.
Yeah.
Everybody knows this is a very, very peculiar situation. The many universities, including Delhi University, they are considering of tweaking their system of, admissions, considering the current scenario in mind. And we have always been a